Tired of stressing over your Thanksgiving turkey? Say goodbye to complicated techniques and hello to a foolproof method that delivers a juicy, flavorful bird every time. This easy, no-fuss Thanksgiving turkey recipe will become your new holiday go-to. With just a few simple steps, you will create a show-stopping centerpiece for your feast that will have everyone asking for seconds. Let us start with the basics. For a crowd-pleasing turkey, plan on 1.5 pounds per person. This ensures plenty for dinner and those all-important leftovers. Remember to allow ample time for thawing, about 1 day in the refrigerator for every 5 pounds of turkey. Now let us debunk some common turkey myths. First, skip the sink wash. It only spreads bacteria. Instead, simply pat the turkey dry with paper towels. Forget about brining too unless you have a wild turkey. Store-bought birds are typically pre-brined, saving you time and effort. Here is a game changer: ditch the basting. It is unnecessary and can lead to uneven cooking. Our secret weapon? Herb butter. Mix softened butter with salt, pepper, minced garlic, and fresh chopped herbs like rosemary, thyme, and sage. Gently spread this mixture under and over the skin for maximum flavor and beautiful browning. When it comes to stuffing, cook it separately in a casserole dish. This ensures food safety and prevents overcooking the turkey. Instead, fill the cavity with aromatics like quartered onion, lemon, apple, and fresh herbs to infuse flavor throughout the meat. For the cooking process, place the prepared turkey on a bed of chopped vegetables in a roasting pan. This elevates the bird and adds flavor to the drippings. Cook at 325 degrees Fahrenheit using a meat thermometer to check for doneness. The turkey is ready when it reaches 165 degrees. Once out of the oven, let the turkey rest for 15 to 40 minutes before carving. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring moist meat in every bite. Use this time to make gravy from those flavorful pan drippings. Serve your perfectly roasted turkey alongside classic sides like mashed potatoes, cranberry sauce, and homemade rolls. With this simple method, you will have a stress-free cooking experience and a delicious Thanksgiving centerpiece that will impress your guests year after year.